Controversial ZANU-PF politician Killer Zivu sparked intense debate on Thursday after claiming that he had a prophetic dream showing Vice President General Constantino Chiwenga taking over power in the future. Salibina mashoko buda pangwa ino on the prophetic dream. Zivu predicts Chiwenga will take over power. Salibina mashoko nyasi kunuka kuti ZANU-PF's hardliner Killer Zivu anyazikuza kuti mukomana we ZANU-PF panguva ine obuda achitaura mashoko kuti vipi Constantino Chiwenga aonekwa aiwa agreba power nyika yeZimbabwe. Chitiko chavhurutsa vanhu uri kusubscribe like on the bell icon. Tiendera between Naumubudanyi Kwamchinzi posting on his official X account. Zivu said his vision had been recurring over several days and left him convinced that Chiwenga would one day become Zimbabwe's third president. In quotes, I've had a recurring dream for days. In the dream, this man is destined to become our third president, although I wasn't given a specific timeline. I'm convinced it will happen, whether in 2035, 2040, or beyond. I saw a message in my dream indicating that it's unstoppable, Zivu wrote. His comments quickly went viral, drawing mixed reactions online. Some social media users dismissed the statement as attention-seeking, while others described it as a bold political prophecy that could reflect undercurrents within the ruling party. Zivu, known for his outspoken nature and history of controversial political commentary, has once again placed himself at the center of public discourse, this time by suggesting a possible future power shift involving one of Zimbabwe's most influential figures. Domashkwatoka pangwa ine aiwa na Killer Zivu. Killer Zivu anyazozikana kunzi aiwa is a 2030 supporter mukomana ari kusati kwezvigananda. Even munoona alliance yake kunyangwe mapost ake these are people vakagara vakaendosa mutungamiri wenyika ende vaigara vachiti mutungamiri wenyika anotonga kusvika madhonga amira nenyanga vachisapota mashoko aitaura. And right now akutaura nawo yekuti vipi Constantino Chiwenga are destined to become the next president. Chitiko chaita kuti vamwe vanhu vati aiwa anenge ari kusika attention, vamwe vakauya vakati achagara ichokwadi, ora kuti general ndiwo vanodikanwa nevanhu. Mbutidzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wabvina comment section medu dzamafungiro enyu. So subscribe, like, hit on the bell icon.